Welcome, today in front of me SONY Xperia Tablet Z, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere application on this device. So first you should go into the Play Store application, and here on the search pool enter the Ampere, and now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds or minutes while application downloading and installing on your device. So now just you should open the application. And here just click yes, I agree, be close, and on the left down corner tap to OK, and as can you see here we got the temperature of our battery. That's 26 and 7 degrees, and also here we got the other information, another information about our battery level, health, capacity, the Android version and model of our device, and more and other information. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.